Cadillac Eldorado is reborn in a bolder and more modern form. The 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Restomod combines timeless, iconic design with a touch of modern technology, delivering a harmony of classic nostalgia and modern performance. This is an Eldorado that retains its elegant spirit, yet is ready to advance into a new era with a stronger, more luxurious, and more classy character. This car features a futuristic design typical of modern luxury sedans, with a low silhouette and long, elegant proportions. The front is dominated by a large, digitally patterned grille that blends with the logo in the center, giving it a premium yet visionary feel. Sharp, vertical LED headlights on both sides emphasize the distinctive design identity of a futuristic concept car. The design approach emphasizes visual sobriety, high technology, and the status of a modern flagship sedan. This look is highly synonymous with the next-generation premium electric vehicles targeting the upper segment. The rear of the car emphasizes a futuristic and luxurious feel through its clean, minimalist design. Horizontally elongated LED lights combine with vertical accents on both sides, creating a bold and modern visual identity. The body's surface is smooth and free of sharp lines, emphasizing its elegant and aerodynamic character. The rear bumper is neatly designed with an integrated diffuser element, giving it a stable and high-tech feel typical of a premium electric sedan. Moving on to the interior, the car's interior features a classy, futuristic concept with a strong focus on technology and comfort. The dashboard is designed to blend horizontally with a wide digital screen that serves as both the instrument panel and infotainment center. The large center console is neatly designed with a combination of touch controls and a modern transmission selector, adding to the exclusive and intuitive feel.